Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. This is Daily Trade Analysis with the market recap for today, 28th of December. Happy Christmas, everyone. I hope you had an amazing 25th of December with the family and with friends, and you had a great time. So, right now, we are going to review the economic data for today. We got pending home sales year over year, still super negative, minus 37. So quite a hit for pending home sales. Also, month over month, we were expecting a slightly decrease in 0.8 in negative, but we got still minus 4%. Home sectors are getting quite demolished. What else? Richmond Fed Services minus 12. We were expecting 1, and the previous one was minus 2. And Fed Manufacturing Index in the positive, the latest one was minus 9. So this is good news for pending home sales, and home sector is continuously cooling down as Fed was trying to hit this sector also apart from labor market. But looks like the market didn't like this kind of news. And we are continuing lower. We couldn't break 11,000. As you can see right here, we hit 10,996. We were trying to hold pre-market highs and this pivot, but we couldn't hold, and then this wedge broke down, and we broke last week low, this dot line, and we are just right here finishing down in 2,700. So quite a busy day for shorts. I think a lot of them are quite in the green today. And look at this. We are continuing lower, breaking this pivot and last week low, and breaking down, not being able to hold this pivot and approaching this 10,746 super pivot on the daily, and the low of day might be next. We will see, because right now the markets are super in the red. Apple is minus 3%. Look at this, minus 3% and breaking year lows of year. So new lows of the year for Apple, minus 3% on the day. Microsoft also trying to fill again this gap, approaching 2, 3, 4 and breaking down. Tesla is the only thing green, but look at this. I mean, Tesla is super red on the year. Look at this. This is the highs in April, and also the highs in this is the highs in January. So since then, we are 72% in the red for Tesla. And in the last month, this is December 1st, we are 46%. So Elon Musk is in a big trouble, in my opinion. Amazon consumer discretionary continuing being hit by the markets and approaching these levels of this pivot on March 2020, this blue one. So Google also minus 1.55%. I mean, everything is red in the market. If we go to the sector funds, technology being hit hard, minus 1.54, and energy, look at this. We were waiting for crude oil to continue pushing, but look at this. Putin is trying to manipulate crude oil prices by banning all the countries that join the price cap on natural gas. So he's trying to manipulate by putting pressure on future bans for next year. And natural gas is bouncing a little bit, but still demand destruction in all these energy assets. Dollar is slightly green. I don't think dollar is going to make a big move right now. We are just holding sideways consolidation around 104 in this Christmas time, holidays time. And yields are more or less pushing. They continue pushing. The 2-year is also pushing, but the 10-year is unbelievably high. We broke 3.9%. We are right now right below that level. And if we go to the what markets expect for next year, we are still pricing in 4.84 in April next year, and until September 4.85, and then in December 1 or 2 cuts depending on if the Feds go 25 or 50 basis points. So that's all. Consumer discretionary XLY continuing going lower. XLP staples also going lower. If we go to the ratio, consumer discretionary versus staples, XLY versus XLP. XLY is green more than XLP, so the ratio is 0.24. Still super down consumer. US consumer is starting to being hit by a lot, and the economy is sick. I think demand destruction is something in the minds of everyone in the markets. And I think that's all. We are continuing lower. I mean, this 10,746 in the Nasdaq, if you go to the S&Ps, we are not breaking the range, but this pivot is more than ever being targeted. So the goal would be to go again to test these levels, and hopefully we can start to consolidate around here and not going down on the year. But the Nasdaq, look at this, the Nasdaq is just melting. So be careful in your positions, watch the markets, and stay up to date to all the news in this channel and also in my previous videos, because this is going down pretty heavily. So remember, being patient is one of the most critical skills you can learn in these markets. So as always, thank you for your time. If you found this video useful, please remember to click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Remember that I upload new videos every single day for market forecasts, market updates, and market recaps. I appreciate your time. I hope you had an amazing trading day. If you were short, I mean, you are heavily in the green. We are minus 133 in the Nasdaq. So congratulations, shorts, bears. This is a market in which I am also looking for shorts. So sadly, there's right now, in my opinion, there's nothing like a Santa rally, end of the year rally. So this is just melting. So discipline and risk management are key for your success. Stay safe, everyone, and see you tomorrow.